Hello. What's up? How you doing? Boo. Lord God. Let me talk to y'all. Okay, I'm going to put a little powder on my face so y'all won't be like, I had a long day. I had a long day at work. And I just felt like just trying to woost out my mind, and think positive. When things look not so positive, I try to still be like positive. No matter how things are, and it's not easy. Don't think by a long shot that it is. It ain't. And if you just thought that, then you're right. So how y'all been doing? What y'all been up to? Girl, baby, hunty, sugar iced tea, hunty. Everywhere I go, they talk about some New Orleans. Everywhere I go, New Orleans. You tell them you from Louisiana, first thing they say New Orleans. I'll be like, all right, baby. Let me tell you a little something. Okay, there's difference. There's a difference from Shreveport and New Orleans. All right, it's a difference, honey. Now I might got that accent. I done picked up real bad. I think I picked, honestly. No, I ain't pick it up here. No, I got that like that. How you doing? My name is Elizabeth. Maybe that's what I got from Atlanta. Maybe Atlanta. But when that Creole come out, ooh, I be like, oh nah. Oh nah. For real. But baby, it's some depressed people out here in Georgia, and it's so hurtful to see. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna be depressing nobody. Shit. I came out the womb all and shit. I ain't nobody feel depressed me, baby. I know. See, you see when it makes sense that Creole come out, baby. It makes sense. You can't tell me I'm wrong when the ancient come out, boo. I already know the story. Been through too much out here. You think a person don't know if a person like you or not? Out here living in Georgia, you have to deal with multiple people. You have to deal with so many different people. So you have to be able to understand people. I'm going out anyway. Since y'all want to know my business. Girl, I put on today and said, oh, you looking good for myself and I. I'm finna step out this house, honey. Today Friday. It feels like Saturday. And gotta be at work at what? They say 9. Lord have mercy. I said this girl gonna get tired of getting in trouble one day. And I be like, I don't even do nothing. Just do my job. I do makeup though. I be moving shit. I be doing too many faces, baby. I can't shit. My time is my time. I trying to tell y'all, but nobody listen. Anyway, I'm a celebrity, shit. Show up when I get ready, shit. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Like, come on, boo. What's up, bro? I mean, bro. Celebrity, bitch. I'm like, shit, just relax. Shit, take a chill pill. Damn it, boy. I can hear my brother, boy. Shit. Take a chill pill, bro. This is weird, bro. I ain't called my brother yet and told him nothing because he be ready to come down here. Shit, I be trying to keep him on down. I be trying to keep him cool. Shit. He be saying, I ain't coming down there. They be the first one ready to come lose his damn mind. What the fuck? No, I know you fucking lying. Shit. No, he do not like confusion. That one in Louisiana don't like that bullshit. I don't like that bullshit, but I tolerate it, but that nigga won't. And he got them soldiers up in there. Shit. I dare you to not do that. Shit. They just laying in bed with shit. Like, what the fuck, bro? Okay. I had to go in there and get on their ass. I said, boy, you know this boy got chopped on that damn head. Shit. Y'all got these damn guns. Lord Jesus. See, I'm scared of guns. That's all you guys show me shit. I ain't, when it come down to that, I ain't about that. For real. But when you talk about these, I know I pity the fool, but let me tell you, if you got that thing that go bang, 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 I be like, hey, bro. No, I don't think I be like that. I'm going to hold my ground. I'm going to see how pussy you really is. But no. I ain't about that, though. I ain't going to run either. Shit, but I ain't about that life. Not that right there, because I don't like taking nobody's life. But sometimes people put you in a situation to do that. Now I know my people. They ain't gonna do no dumb stuff like that because you got too much love in your heart. And when you got love in your heart, you don't do stuff like that. But on people who that is in the wrong hands of, that worry me. It don't really worry me with them because I know they're very responsible because my brother is very responsible. Both of them are at a time. One of them kind of, but the other one, he's very responsible. But I'm actually training, so I can do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking my training, but baby, I just don't like guns. I've built guns. I'm a country girl. I built guns. And, I used to have bullets go over my head. Just go over my head. It's funny. It laughs now, but at the time, it was like freaking scary. But you get used to it. You live in Louisiana, you get used to bullets going over your head. You ain't gonna be scared of shit. When you come to Georgia though, and you ain't around that no more, it kind of like make you feel like it really like stir up in you that real food. You know what I'm saying? Because I be like, they just don't know. They just don't know. Respect will take you far. And sometimes you have to do that. You know what I'm saying? They say I don't need no weapon though because I really hurt somebody. Because I be serious. I don't like nobody play no games with me. I be real. I probably don't. I don't like guns. So I never have. That's how I was able to work at a gun plant. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to hurt people, bro. Like, that fucking sucks, bro. But sometimes people deserve it. You know what I'm saying? I don't think so, though. I just don't. I can't see myself hurting nobody. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. It may sound contradicting, but sometimes you might gotta do what you gotta do. People like me shouldn't have weapons, though. Because we use them for real, like. And we laughing at the same time because we know we ain't do nothing wrong. And I know that's true. I know. Somebody that think they ain't do nothing wrong when they did something wrong with them. But hey, I know I ain't do nothing wrong. You made me do it. Simple. And I'm telling you that. That's why I just say to myself, I don't talk to people. But y'all probably say, yeah, you think that. That's your own thinking. But if you know, you know. I don't do all that damn talking, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't do all that, bro. It's sick to me, bro. Do all that goddamn talking for nothing. For nobody. If it makes sense, it makes sense. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. That's the way life is. And sometimes you have to learn the hard way. Sometimes you have to learn things the hard way. You know, and that tend to be something that I always done. And what drives me crazy is the simple fact that when people think you got it all together. People think it's all peaches and cream. But they don't know how hard it is sometimes. Because you think you know, but you don't. You think you know, but you don't. You think you know people and you don't really know them. I admit, I might seem like I got like a tough demeanor or whatever. I do. Because I was raised to be tough, protect myself from harm. Because I'm not going to just let you eat me up. I'm not going to just let you whoop my ass. Like, I ain't going to just let you whoop my ass, baby. I like to fight. It makes me feel better. But people don't like to fight me. And that's fine too. But if you don't want to fight me, leave me fuck alone. But some people just gotta learn hard. And it's up to me to be mature and let it go. And I'm learning it though. I'm maturing every day. I'm learning every day to just like not let things bother me anymore. Things that really hurt you, don't worry about it, baby. It's fine. Just let it go. And I have to talk to myself like that because sometimes if I hold on to something, I'm going to dwell on it too long. And it's not good to constantly dwell on one particular thing. You need to move on from it so you can grow and you can do better. Check out my concealer, okay? And this is in the shade CC33, MadamDeon Cosmetics Shop.com. Go check it out, boo. All right, and this is lighter, so this is gonna bring some more like length in that face, baby. Oh, good. Oh, I did use the other one too. These are my favorite concealers, not because they're mine, because they're vegan. My face don't feel weird or feel like when I use them. So this is CC40 too. This is CC40. I do have CC40 too. I just don't have it over here right now. They moving too. Y'all need to get in there if you haven't got one yet. They moving too soon. I was. I ain't listening to my cousin. She be tripping. She talking something. Don't change your packaging. Ain't nothing wrong with your packaging. Girl, okay, whatever. Okay, we'll talk. She right though, but whatever. I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, but yeah. Ooh, that looks so good. You see how tight that's getting in there? Girl, I don't think them folks like me at my job. I ain't gonna even lie. I don't think them people like me, bro. I ain't lying shit. I don't know. I just don't fucking know. I don't know what I did. All I did just go show up. Hell, I don't do nothing wrong. Them people do not like me. I just, oh my God, I just don't, I did something. Oh my God, I just came to the wrong place this time. It's alright. God will be with me. God will be with me, Lord. It'll be alright, Ty. Ooh, Lord, somebody finally correct somebody about saying my name wrong. They called me Takis. And I was just, oh my God, this shit. But I was like, okay, fine. They just don't know how to read. Cause clearly you can see my name is spelled Tyquise. Not Takis, not Taisha. None of that. It's Tyquise. Yes. Very powerful. Yes. It stands for queen. Yes. I'm queen, baby. Magnolia. Princess. Okay. So simple. But sorry. I just how I looked at it though, because it took me a long time to learn how to spell it, okay, and understand this. So I feel for people when they trying to say it. I'm saying it. I've been saying it all my life. They've taught me how to say it backwards, spell it backwards, say it backwards. They taught me how to do it now. You know. ECEIUQEYT TYEQUIECE. That's my name. You want to get fancy, say MadamDeon. Yeah. I answer to that too. I answer to Dion. It depends on who called me then. Okay. I know folk be fantasizing about my ass, and I don't even know it, but they be knowing me when they see me. I'm be like, oh, it's just so God. I'm like, girl, just keep your shit all fucking in there, bitch. And I okay. My mom be there. My dad be there. Stop telling every goddamn thing. I ain't like, fuck, these motherfuckers better leave me alone. I said, tell my daddy, man, you gonna have to come. Hey, bro, get ready, cause I'm about to go. It's about to go down, bro. My brother up there, like, he kept calling. He don't give a fuck who it is. he kept calling. He like, but he don't care. He literally don't care. He'll tell me some shit like, don't call me. Shit, that he will act a fool if I don't call him and tell him I'm in trouble. He gonna make it to me quicker than anybody. I mean, quicker than the one that lives in Atlanta with me. He gonna, I promise you, he will. He will. He got the Hemi. Yeah. When I say he got the Hemi, limited edition. That motherfucker, I started tracking that motherfucker. I said, God damn this car. Ooh, woo. I love trucks. They know it too. They know I love trucks. Boy, they be pushing it too. It's so pretty. Ooh, that's a bad truck. Got the mud tires on there, baby. And I be like, man. We be just having fun. Be living life, showing love, trying to be there for our kids. You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't be wanting no smoke. We don't want to deal with stress. We want to, be there for our children. We are family oriented. We love who we love. You know what I'm saying? We do what we do. We help each other. So when somebody bring the foolishness, hey, it is what it is. It is what it's going to be. Life is hard enough, I'll be right back.